Whoa, I did not open it! Dang it, you forgot your armor, man. Hey, yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Ron, it's Awesome here, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today, we're doing a PvP fight, and, second chest, no, wait, you should say that chest, oh yeah, right. So, and we have diamond helmet, we have this,
Ding ding.
we have the breastplate, then we have pants, we have the boots, and we have the weapons, the swords, and we have these axes, and pickaxe, and also fun. We also have total oven dying. And let me equip my stuff, guys. And of course, I may need this. Yep, of course I would. Alright, so at this round, we are not going to be using bows until the third round. So this will be having 3 rounds. Alright, so are you ready?
Yeah, I'm standing on nothing.
Ready, set, go, fight! Take that back.
Did you put that back on?
Not, I don't know, maybe.
You still have to put
Yeah, I think I also have knockback. I think, wait, you also have knockback too.
What?
I think you do.
Ow.
Oh, you also have knockback! And this time, Floyd, pause the battle, stop! Pause the battle. Let me give some apples to you. I don't have any apples. Hold on, my cell phone's ringing.
I have zero.
And it's whatever. And so guys, my mom's calling me. Here, that mommy. And so guys,
Oh, we're playing.
Where is Anya?
Here.
And so guys,
What?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I just can't call you on FaceTime.
Why?
Because Daddy didn't sign up for it.
alright, and then I'll get some golden apple.
What is that thing right there?
Ronit?
Yeah.
Did Shelly go through soap? As well?
Yeah, and I'm done. Nani already cleaned it.
Oh, alright.
What
Alright,
did you call me?
and so guys,
I want to find out whether she cleaned or not.
Okay.
you take some apples. Alright, here. Hold on, guys. Let me pause the battle for a second. Yeah. Here. Get up. Now, we're back to the battle. Okay. Ready, set, go. So we're still in round one.
I'm running.
Ah!
Go happy.
Alright, apple time. Dude, apple time, done. Dang it! Oh, no.
Pause the battle.
What? Apple time? What are you doing? You're going into creative? Alright, apple time. Great. Alright, have some time to get out of the water.
Apple time.
I don't need apple time. Alright, back.
No! You're not gonna do it.
Oh, no. I haven't even pickaxe.
Oh, I'm stuck in there, Ronit.
Don't worry, you have the totem from dying. They let you die. They won't let you die. Alright, and then we're going back. Try to catch me. Come on, hit it. Come on.
Come on. Up here.
Yeah. You got 3 seconds. Run! Whoa, hold on. Let me take game mode. I mean, no, not the game mode. The difficulty to normal. Because I accidentally put it to peaceful. Oh crap! Okay, that was a close one. No! Run!
Oh, do you want more? How much life do you have?
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I guess.
I have one for real life.
Oh no! You haven't done it when we died. I'm scared. Okay, I'm not actually. I'm not actually scared, guys. I'm not. Okay. Oh no! No!
Better than how much life do you have?
It's not time to fold it.
Tell me how much.
You're almost dead. Apple time! Stop! What the heck?
Owie.
Dude, when it say apple time, that means you gotta stop hitting.
Not apple time for me.
Yeah, but still, no one really cares.
Ow. Back to the next
Oh, no!
Never apple time.
Apple time.
No,
No, till round 3 to no more apple time.
yeah. Apple time?
Alright.
Apple time.
Oh, yeah, dang it! I need hearing aids! Alright, round 2. Alright, guys, I don't need hearing aids. Are you probably here? I don't mean to hit again. I know you probably mean to hit again. What? Where did you come from? Uh-oh. Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, no. I have some golden apples.
I don't.
Do not eat too much. Only eat once. And then once your jet is about to rise, then eat it. Apple time? Wait, do you need apple time? It's just letting me know so you don't get Oh, I didn't look at a stupid chest. Stupid mob. Get out, you stupid mobs. Oh, no.
You want a question? Why did you take the apple?
Oh, yeah, right. You better tell me that. Okay, now round 3. This time we're using bows. So, I'm going to go into game mode. What the heck? What happened to my...
Stop it, Ronit.
I'm doing nothing, dummy.
You're hurting me. I mean, you're not hurting me, someone's hurting. Who's hurting me?
I think a skeleton's shooting you. So, let me get a bow real quick.
Stop shooting me. Please, I'm not meant to be shooted. Wait.
You were supposed to say you are not meant to be shot.
Give me the more. Oh, no.
Alright, let me get
Don't
this.
move.
Alright, so...
That's why I told you to move.
Here. Say where you're... Stupid skeleton. Alright, here. Okay. And I'll give you some arrows.
Here's what I got. Mutton.
This.
I got mutton.
I know, where are you?
Here.
And these are all your arrows. There are like 64 of these. Whoa, your arrows are right here. Dude, come here. Your arrows are right here. Alright, let me enchant my bow. You can enchant your bow if you want.
Is that my bow?
Alright, I'm going. Let's go on to survival. Are you in creative?
No, you cannot have the bows. Oh,
Okay.
I need levels. I don't have any levels. I don't have enough levels.
Alright, are you ready? 3 to 1, round
No,
2.
I don't want to do it, but I don't have enough levels. So you have 2 levels.
I don't have 2 levels.
Yes, that is 11. The green team's on 11.
Oh yeah, that's a no. That means like that's a row of levels of the mobs you killed. Here, let me kill that stupid spider for you.
Hey.
Alright, and then battle starts in 3, 2, 1, round 3. Let's go. What? Thank you. Alright. Alright, so guys. Okay, that's a redo because that was too early. Okay, so guys, let me do a
It doesn't matter if it's too early.
No, dude, stop. That's a redo that because that was too early. Alright, guys. So this is a redo because that was too early because these stupid mobs are keep ruining it. Alright, and battle starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Hello. Guess what arrow is this? Oh, it's the arrow. Hiya! Alright, that's too early again.
It doesn't. This is the poison.
No, I did not get. Oh, yeah, you had. Okay. Okay, one more redo, okay? You can only take 2 redos. Alright, so guys, this is way one more redo. We're going to do
Come
it.
on.
Stupid spider! Get out of my battle. Alright, start.
Hey.
Dude. What? What the? You keep missing it. So, stay away from her, you stupid skeleton. Oh no. And then dead. Alright, no more redos. Next, guys, I lost the PvP. Next, guys, and if you do not want to, and so guys, I'm gonna end this video here. So guys, if you just subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also leave a comment down below, and turn notifications on. So bye, guys.
Bye-bye.